Video for today is what's inside my refrigerator, guys. Guys, excited? So let's start. A fridge, a refrigerator in our kitchen. Let's open the fridge. Hi guys, this is inside our refrigerator and how I organize my stuff, my foods here inside the ref. Ayan guys, papakita ko sa inyo ang laman ng aming ref. Special tips sa lahat, kailangan natin i-organize yung ating ref. Kahit kunti lang yung laman ng ng loob ng ating ref. Or most important, kailangan natin magkaroon ng container para madaling hanapin yung ating mga foods na nilalagay or ziplock. Yan, importante yan talaga guys. And then, the most important thing, yung nilalagay sa loob ng ref na charcoal or air freshener pag kung sa mga kwarto. Ayan siya guys. Sa mga nakatira dito sa Japan, alam kong alam nyo to. So guys, let's proceed now. Yung laman ng aming ref. Ayan yung sa taas. Sandwiches. Mayroon kaming Nutella, peanut butter here. And yung sa likod, mayroon pa doon na chocolates and bagoong. And then the strawberry jam or ichigo. Almond butter here. And yung nahulog. This is the Hokkaido butter. And then sa likod guys, mayroon din peanut butter. Ayan. And then the spam. Ayan, my favorite. And corn in can, Reno from Philippines. Ayan, maingay na yung ating ref. Close muna natin sandali. Time out yung aming ref. And then, our drinks. Ayan, yung sparkling water, Oringo juice, Calpi soda. We have oranges, the orange juice, 100%, the Tropicana juice, and the Coca-Cola. Ayan. And of course, the healthy juice, vegetable salad. And also, we have my favorite milk. Ayan, fresh milk. And also here, the original almond milk. And this is very delicious. And I love it. And then we have here the instant pizza, the margarita pizza. And of course, the ham. Yan, fresh ham for vegetable salad. And of course, my favorite also the roast beef. Yan, ginagawa din siyang sandwich. Yan guys. Or nilalagay din siya sa vegetable salad. And another ham. Ayan. And of course, we have bacon. Here, the bacon. Ayan, for morning breakfast. Pag nag-prepare tayo ng ating almusal. Of course, the bread. And my favorite cereal, the oatmeal. Ayan, pag umaga or sa gabi, kinakain ko yan dahil ako ay diet. Because healthy food, healthy lifestyle. Okay, guys? And of course, we have fruit yogurt. Ayan, guys. It's good for the morning. And we have vinegar juice, the pineapple vinegar, the pineapple cider vinegar. This is 100%. and good for your health, good for your body, and for dieting. This is sakuro, and also we have here grapes, the muscat grape. And of course, we have grapes, kiwi, and cherries. Ayan. And my pineapple. Ayan. I love fruits, guys. Kahit wala ng kanin, basta may fruits and vegetables, okay na ako dyan. So guys, let's proceed and move on to our next foods. Move forward sa ating appetizer. We have here the smoked chicken. Ayan, madali lang siya at mabilis lang siyang lutuin. We have here 3 dahil dalawa lang kami ng aking asawa at yung biyanan ko, 3 kami. Ayan. Solve na ang aming dinner. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung ano yung gagawin ko dyan. Special dinner for my father-in-law. Guys, yung sinabi ko kanina, yung ating smoked chicken. Ayan, niluto ko na siya. At ito po yung aming dinner for tonight. So, let's enjoy our dinner. We have sausage and instant curry. Instant curry, guys. Pag walang oras at nagugutom na, pwedeng sa mabilisan, nakakain ka na at mabuksan ka na masarap yung iyong kain. Yung aming ref nag-iingay. Bawal ng matagal buksan. And we have on the other side, we have citrus, the lime, lemon, oranges. And then here we have cheese and all my vitamins, vitamin C and E. And then the smoked cheese here. Pag gusto mong uminom ng wine or cocktail, pwede mo yan siyang gawing appetizer. The cream cheese here. And milk cheese na ginagamit ko pag nagluluto. Ayan, guys. And we have also here our sauce. And the soy sauce. The delicious soy sauce. The ketchup. Soy sauce again. And the yakiniku sauce here. And then also yakiniku barbecue sauce. The mayonnaise and yakisoba sauce. On the other side, we have the dressings. Here, the goma dressing, sesame dressing, and another sesame dressing. This is the Caesar dressing, and the waffle, my favorite non-oil waffle dressing. The Funs chili sauce, the marine, the garlic paste, and then here the ginger paste, the miso shiro, instant miso shiro, here the wakame. And that's all for our sauce and dressings. Move forward to the eggs. We have here the eggs container, yan, or tamago in Japanese. And proceed to the next door. We have here the salads, the fresh salad. I got it already. Yan, the lettuce. Hinugasan ko na siya, guys. And then, nilagay sa Ziploc. We have here the cabbage, the violet cabbage. Tomatoes, mushrooms, ketchups, and paste. We have here the cucumber. It's a sunny lettuce. We have the paprika, the yellow and the red paprikas. Another fresh salad. Ayan guys, hinugasan ko siya and then kinap and dinrain yung kanyang water and then nilagay ko siya dito sa Ziploc. We have here the onions and garlic. And guys, mas maganda ilagay natin siya sa Ziploc or sa any container na madali natin hanapin. Ayan, diba? Kailangan organize yung ating lagayan ng pagkain, lalong-lalo na yung ating ref. At yung mga vegetable natin dito, kailangan palaging fresh. And we have here the daikon or radish, broccoli. This is the celery, the piman, jalapeno piman, and potato, carrots. Here, yung ating mga leftovers. That's all for our beaches corner. So guys, let's proceed to another corner of our fridge. And for another corner, we have here our leftovers. Yung mga tira-tira natin, like meats na hindi natin maubos. Yan, mga frozen fruits. Yan siya guys. And then, the other one, lagayin siya ng ice. At, meron dito, ice cream. Moving forward, sa pinakababa, sa pinaka-last, we have here the frozen foods. Pasta, pepperoncini pasta. And for the lunch, para sa baon, we have here the frozen squid. And the cuts, pork cuts. And another pasta. And the hot dogs. Karage, chicken karage. The paste and the banana leaves. Moving on sa ibaba, sa pinaka-last, we have the tebasaki, the chicken wings or tebasaki in Japan, and fried rice. Here the fried rice, instant fried rice, and the frozen meats here. That's all guys. Ayan ang laman ng aking ref. Guys, that's the end of our vlog for today. Hope you like it and learn some lesson. Once again, and shout out everybody. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you so much guys. God bless you and hope you enjoy my video. Thank you so much guys. Bye.